Hi, I'm here with,
Colby,
and he's in what classroom again?
Mrs. Evans' class.
And what does it mean to be a good leader?
Listen while adults are talking.
And what did you do to get that leader slip?
Work hard during math, reading, and social studies.
It's very important. Good job. Okay, so I'm here with my friend.
I do.
And what grade are you in?
First.
And what do you think it means to be a leader?
To be a good friend.
Okay. And what did you do in the classroom that got you that leader slip?
I moved over to my friend that only had one person sitting by her.
That's a very good friend.
I know.